Hello guys, this is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today is 2023, 10th of February. Right, so today we are going to have how GDP for the high impact news and CAD for the employment and employment change and rate. Alright, so over here just pay attention. And today is Friday. Well, so hopefully today is a good day for everybody. But do remember today is a profit preservation day for the week. Okay, yep. So keep your profit this week. Okay, and enjoy your weekend. Right. So today I have an announcement to make. Namaste. Yeah. So today I can only come in for this session, and later on for the live trading session I will be around. Okay, as much as I could. If I have some adjustment, I will also come live, but most likely will not be. Okay. All right. So I shall see you all next week. All right. So once again over here, let's come into our MT4. I will do some analysis for all of you here, and so that you guys can stay focused and grab some profits. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at the AUDCAD. Well, AUDCAD from you see the bull is running, and from here it's actually started to form for the past about one week, right? It has started to form a downward trend. So we can see that it's actually transiting. So for AUDCAD, will it be good to go for a selling today? Well, I would say that likely, all right. So AUDCAD guys can take a look. Okay, so I'm going to put AUDCAD my selling list, all right, so that I can pay attention to that. Right. Okay, next to go Aussie franc. Well, Aussie franc whole over here as a whole is a bear and transit then moving into the bull. So tentatively it is still in the structure of the buying. The bull is still running. So tentatively I would say that we should stay away for sellers. For buyers you can take note. Okay. So for Aussie yen over here, we are actually in the bear, right? Aussie yen is in the bear, so we are looking out for selling. So let's go in, okay, to see, go in depth and let's take a look. The resistance has no change over here. So Aussie yen very obvious that we are going for, and the support is still quite far away. So let's wait for a new selling cycle, and then we'll go for a selling from there. Okay, so Aussie yen, I'm going to put this into selling list. And Aussie Kiwi. Well, Aussie Kiwi, as we can see here. Now from the bear, we are coming into the bull. It's still running in very nicely for the bull. So buyers take note, but sellers have to stay away. Okay. All right. So for Aussie dollar, right? So let me Aussie dollar over here. Well, Aussie dollar, let's take a look. Aussie dollar, technically we're looking at this range here, this area here. We are still climbing and climbing and climbing, but into the bear seems like we are actually going to the selling. Well, for Aussie dollar, let's take a look. Will there be any chance of selling today? Well, for Aussie dollar, as we can see over here, we are still waiting to pass onto the support level, which we still have about 48 pips to go. Well, I think that's pretty good, but you just need to take note of the support level that we have right now. I will suggest that any breaking of the support retest, then we go for a selling. Okay, so we have then we'll have a good chance to selling then. So from here, Aussie dollar, I will put this into my watch list. Okay, and let's move on. Euro Aussie, Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie over here. Technically, we are still in the bull, but transiting into the bear, struggling into the bear area. Well, for now, I will say that for Euro Aussie, we will start today and observe it for a while. Let's see whether it can come back for the selling. Okay, Euro. What about EURJPY? EURJPY, very obvious. We are into the bull, so the bull is still running. So buyers can take note, sellers have to stay away. Right. So for Euro yen over at this point, as we can see, it started the bear running for quite a while, and now it's facing up with some support. So let's see if there's a chance for the selling. If now for yen yesterday, after the Japan intervention here, and we are actually clearing up the highs there. Okay, so we can see that it has cleared up the highs. today with a resistance. So looks good today. Okay, so the resistance is up here, and right now we are on the resistance, selling down to take the lows there. Well, there may be a chance. Okay, so I will put Euro Yen into my watch. Okay, yeah, and Euro Yen. That's for Euro Yen. Okay, so next to go Euro Kiwi. Yeah, Euro Kiwi, as we can see for Euro Kiwi over here. So for this area here, we are actually moving to north. So basically, in terms of buying, okay, we are actually we are looking into buying for this Euro Kiwi. So buyers can take, but sellers have to stay away. Right, for Euro Dollar, yeah, Euro Dollar, we have a very good one. Okay, now the bull is running, but the thing is that how good it is that it's going to clear the support over here. It's going to test the support over here to take down, which we have about 30 pips. I would say that the highly likely Euro Dollar is going to go for a selling today. Okay, to test the support, and let's see if we are going to test further down. Okay, from here to here, 30 pips, and perhaps down to pips. Okay, so for Euro Dollar, guys can take note. Okay, you can take note for Euro Dollar. Okay. So for Pound Aussie, let's take a look for Pound Aussie. Well, for Pound Aussie, we are into the bear. However, now today we have a retracement. We are going to retest the resistance once again to see if there's a chance to break out. If this resistance able to hold it down, yes, we can continue the selling. Right, but however, right now, since today it showed some retracement up there, then I will say we will wait for the London market to open, and then we will decide what to do for that. Okay, right. So yeah, Pound CAD. I'll take a look at Pound CAD. Pound CAD over here. The structure of selling is coming soon. Okay. Well, for Pound CAD, I will say that probably today we may have a chance of selling. So looking into Pound CAD over at this area here, yesterday we have tested onto the resistance, and it started to slip off. Will it go back for a retest? That is the question. Okay, so if it's going back for retesting, then I think we have to stay away for a while. If the resistance is able to hold it down, we will have a lot of pips to take note. Okay, so this one for Pound CAD we can take note. Okay, so I'm going to put this Pound CAD into my watch list. Okay, yeah, and let's see. Okay, Pound CAD. ICK, nice to see you. And yeah, over here, let's take a look. Pound franc. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. CK. I'm sorry. Lately, I'm really very busy. I have yet to sit down to reply all the messages. Okay. So yep. And please give me some patience. Okay. And I will get back to you soon. Right. So for Pound franc, okay, we are hovering around this area. Selling comes in. Can see ranging around this area. So over at this point here, looks like the range is for the buy today. So I'm going to stay away for today. Alright. Unless it breaks a support, then that will be a different story. Okay, so for the Pound Yen. Pound Yen. Well, Pound Yen in general, we are looking for selling a very good space down here to take. Okay, so let's see if we have a chance for the selling today. First of all, yesterday, same thing. Because of the Japanese intervention, now it has cleared off. Now we are going to test the resistance, and seems like the resistance has been tested once and it started to slip off for the last 4 hours. Okay, and over here, okay, and over here, looks like the selling is very highly possible today. Okay, so even if it's not selling right now, we can wait for the second half of the day. It can even test into the and start selling. But for Pound Yen, okay, today looks like it's good. Okay, then we are going to put this Pound Yen into my selling list. Okay, but this Pound Yen may need a longer time. Okay, right. So for Pound Kiwi, well, Pound Kiwi, same thing is in this area here. I would suggest that we stay away for now. Right. So for Pound Dollar, yeah, Pound Dollar. So Pound Dollar, yesterday it escalated up, and now it started to descend. Correct. So it was a very bullish run, and the bullish run, and now is now coming back for the selling. Will it be good after it has come into a point whereby it seems like it has taken this resistance and started to sell down. Will this pound dollar start to sell down? I would say that there may be a good chance that it will still go down to sell for the selling. Okay, as I can see, the support is over here, and maybe a chance of selling for about 50 pips there. Okay, so it should be looking good for selling. However, we need a support. Okay, we need a support. So pay attention to the M5. Okay, so make sure you see a new cycle, a new strength coming in for the selling. Then you start trading for the pound dollar. So for pound dollar, okay, this is the only thing that you need to pay attention to. Okay, yeah, right. So next to go, okay, dollar CAD. Let's take a look at dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD over here, and dollar CAD we are now looking into some pullback. Okay, so the back here still looking for some resistance, right? So I'm actually looking out for the resistance out here. So they have tested once and are now going back for the retesting. So let's wait for the retesting first before we actually take action. Okay. Well, for dollar franc, right? Dollar franc today, there's some retracement to test onto the resistance. Well, for this resistance, I don't see it's a very strong resistance. It may break the resistance easily. So probably we may want to skip dollar franc for a while. All right. For dollar yen, dollar yen, we are actually today we're in the bear. This bear is actually having a retracement to go back to test onto the resistance. So at this moment, it's good to see that we can wait for a while. Okay, we will stay away from all these dollar CAD, dollar franc, dollar yen. Okay. So yeah, and quickly take a look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we have selling down from yesterday. Now it's at 21. So like the selling is coming back here to take a lower to 20,877. Okay, 20,877. So we can pay attention to that as well for people who are going to ready to sell. Right, for the gold. Like from yesterday, the selling has came in yesterday and are still respecting the resistance that we plotted yesterday at 1878 and 1886. Well, so over at this point here, now it's still on the selling back here. Well, generally, so currently we are going to look for selling for the gold. Okay, grabbing or is searching for a support, you can use some profit on the selling side. Okay, yeah, and yeah, that's for the gold. Okay, so as of now, all right, the look out for the selling, right? Okay, so let me see what do we have here. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so today we are looking at Aussie CAD, Aussie yen, Aussie dollar, Euro yen, Euro dollar, pound CAD, pound yen, pound dollar. So these are all the currency pairs that we are going to focus today. Okay, so focus to sell, right? So once again, well, guys, just a reminder from our previous from the beginning of the session, I was saying that today, my London session, I may not be coming in for the live trading, right? So I will be coming back on the next week. Okay, so I shall see you guys next week once again. Okay, so I shall wish you good luck in your trading and also, right, with Audi for profit. Do remember to smash the like button for this video to show your appreciation for the effort behind this video, and also do subscribe to my YouTube channel so that next week we can come in together, trade together. Right? Thank you so much, guys, and this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Thank you, JJ. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend to you as well. Thank you so much.